Hello there, welcome to my channel, Learn Igbo TV. Today we are going to look at Igbo Alphabets. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. In Igbo Alphabets, we have 36 letters. There is no C, Q, and X in Igbo language. The C is not used other than in Chi, which is a single letter in Igbo. Some letters walk alone, while others are double letters that form one sound in Igbo. Igbo has 8 vowels, not 5 like in English. The 8 vowels are A, E, I, O, U, O. We have special consonants in Igbo alphabets. Each of these is treated as one letter, not two. They are as follows: Chi, Gbe, Ye, Gwe, Be, Kwe, Nwe, Nye, Ye. Let's now dive into the alphabets from letter A. A for Aka. A, Aka. B for Biko, or you say Bikonu. Chi for Chere. D for Dinner. E for Ewu. Fe for Fo. G for Guinea. B for Bakotano. Ye for Ye. Gwe for Guam. He for Hicha. E for Ịgbankwụ. E for Ịghọtago. G for G. K for Kachifo. P for Kpakpando. Kwe for Kwado. Le for Leanya. Me for Mmiri. Ne for ncha. ncha, nge, nge for nwa, nwa, nwe, nwe for nwatakịrị, nwatakịrị, nye, nye for nyem, nyem, o for odogwu, odogwu, ọ for ọkụkọ, ọkụkọ, p for papa, papa, re for rie, rie, s for sorom, sorom, sh for shekeleke, shekeleke, t for tụgharịa, tụgharịa, u for ude, ude, o for ụkwụ, ụkwụ, v for vutuo, vutuo, some will say butuo, butuo, we for wepụ, 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 ye for yinye, yinye akwa gị, yinye, z for zụọ, zụọ. Now we are going to start afresh and take the alphabets once without mentioning any item or image that represents the alphabet. So we are going to start with A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, R, H, I, J, K, B, L, M, N, Ng, Nye, O, P, R, say, she, t, o, v, we, ye, z. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Ndewonu, daalụnụ, ka o mesịa.
Learn Igbo TV abatago.